Good morning, everyone. Here we are in another morning, another beautiful morning in the island. I came to this location. It's really by the beach, as you can hear, and as you saw by the images. This morning it's promising to be quite empty of clouds, and I don't know if you can see, but there is few clouds, not many. Like it was promising around like 30% clouds. So on the horizon it's showing a bit cloudy as well, so they might take some time for the sun to rise. But there is like two compositions that I like from this place. The first one, it's this one here with this rock where the waves, as you can see, they surround the rock, and when the tide is lower I prefer to go over this location here. But now the tide is a little bit too high and you know, a bit dangerous to go there with equipment, or otherwise the waves can crash like really strongly here. Yeah, so I'm expecting that today there might be some colors touching the clouds up there, but you know, you never know. So I guess what I'm gonna do is set up and find the proper composition for this location, and you know, place the camera and try to find exactly what I want, and then start shooting. So yeah, let's not stop, because I think it's already starting the blue hour, and the sunrise, the colors, the yellow colors are already starting to show here. So yeah, let's do this. I found this composition here, which was the most, the one that springs to the eye the most. There is this beautiful rock here right in the front, and when the waves crash on it, the water goes around, it circulates around the stone and gives these nice shapes, and this the foam of the water against the black sand, it makes a very special image. But currently the sky is getting just a tad without clouds, and there is beautiful clouds at the horizon, but it might be a cloudless day today. But let's see what I can find here, right? So yeah, this, I don't know if you can see my screen. I'm setting up the camera at f8, which is a manual aperture, and then I'm checking the focus to see if everything is okay in the foreground. I do my bracket. Ooh, nice. Woo! Quite a lot. And now I check my focus on the background, which is a little bit soft, so I just adjust, do another bracket, but now for the background. Some clouds are moving in, as you can see, some clouds are moving on the top here, which is quite nice. And then now I will just set up a time lapse, and it's 1.6, so it's quite a lot. So I am going to make the aperture wider to around 0.5. 0.4 is ideal. Move the focus again to the foreground, because that's where the waves are crashing. And fire away. There you go, nice one. There is some colors on the horizon. I don't know if you can see, but and it's starting to touch the clouds up above over here. There is some pieces of cloud that are touching, but my composition is not allowing for much of those colors to show up. There is also a pier on the left side that I really dislike, this pier. Photoshop is going to take care of that. Oh, there you go. Nice, 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 nice. It's this puddle here that I'm in on the top of the rock. And there is some foam in it. It really creates a separation and like between other sides, other pieces of rock that are on the top of it. Like it's rather broken and like lots of shapes on it. So if everything is black, then you know it's difficult for you to see exactly what's going on, right? Oh, nice. Right. I think now it's the waiting game to see if the colors are really going to show up or not. But I know for a fact that I have that one, the bagged. So that makes me very happy to have come here for the sunrise, even though it was not promising very much. But I'm afraid of moving the tripod and losing this spot, kind of, right? Like because this tripod is set up, is already like deep into the sand. So I prefer to, you know, like maybe stay here a little bit more. And but now I will continue because there is the light is giving a little bit more shape to the clouds. I don't know if you can see properly. But since the light is giving a little bit more shape to the clouds, I have to do some more shots and then see which one, after in post-processing, see which one is actually the best one, right? Having said that, I'm sorry, but I have to go. But stick around and let's see if this is also a good shot or not. The clouds are getting stronger and stronger on the horizon, as you can see. It's giving the separation to the clouds, and it's becoming more cyan, the sky as well, and a little bit bluish. I'm really liking the shape of the clouds, so I might not do all of this like a passing of time that I like to do so much, but just get a point where the clouds are really pretty and then just use them instead of like, you know, like averaging everything. But yeah, I'm still bracketing and taking some shots. Oh, look at this. I'm still bracketing and taking some shots, so just so I know that I also get the sky up there. It's very important for me to not blow the sky up as well, right? Since the colors are coming. When the sky is more on the blue hour, it's more difficult for you to blow them up. But when the light comes up, right? It's light's coming from everywhere and different spots, different hot spots in the sky. Five shots of the same composition from blue hour all the way through to post golden hour. Third one is my favorite. Let me know in the comment section which one is yours. If you want to see the photos on my website, the link is in the description box below. And with this, we come to the end of the video. Like and subscribe for more hiking and photography videos. See you guys in the next one.